Many of you have been wondering how you can install Google Play Store in your Windows 11. So, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to install Google Play Store on Windows 11 without using any emulator. For example, those bluestacks, you're not going to use any emulator. It's going to just be a simple tutorial. So, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. So, if you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. So, let us continue. So first and foremost, we're going to open our Microsoft Edge. Look for Microsoft Edge on your Windows and then open it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friends, don't forget to like the video. And then we're going to search Google Play Store. The second step, Google Play Store. This is what you're going to be installing. This is the official website for Google Play Store. But many of you have been misled by many tutorials on how to install this written application, no, on how to install Google Play Store. Now I'm going to show you a simple way. Check this website. Once you check this website, we're going to come right here on these three dots and then look for more tools. And then after, we're going to look for apps. Now we're going to install this site as an app. Then you're going to rename it simple. You're going to rename it as Google Play Store and you're going to give it some few seconds. Look at this. Give it some few seconds and then give it some few seconds for it to install. And then by giving it some few seconds, it will be installed successfully and you'll be able to create a desktop shortcut. And you can also download those. You can also download some of the Play Store apps on your Windows 11. That is it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marusik and I sign out. Let us meet.